Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make pineapple sunrise mocktail. Take a shaker glass, add some ice cube, then add 20 ml of lemon juice. Then you have to add 180 ml of pineapple juice. Then add 30 ml of pineapple crush. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly, shake well. And take a Pilsner glass, pour all the drinks into the Pilsner glass. Serve with straw and stirrers. Garnish with lime slice. Then you have to add some Sprite on the top of the glass, 60 ml of Sprite. Then add 20 ml of grenadine syrup from the top of the glass. Now you can see the sunrise. Mocktail is ready. Thank you for watching my video.